David, say watch a movie.
With the movie.
Are you going to watch a movie?
Yeah.
What movie are you going to watch?
A puppy.
A puppy movie?
Yeah.
Yeah? How old are you?
Well,
Yeah, Wink? How old are you? David,
I'm going there.
tell me how old you are. How old are you?
There.
Yeah, what's your name?
There.
Is your name David? What's my name? Hey, what's my name? David.
He's
What?
too busy playing with the boink.
I know. What's mommy's name?
Bucket.
What's daddy's name?
Wow.
What's Grammy's name?
Get that in.
Diane. Hey, look at my camera for a second.
The
What's Papa's name?
them
Jim. What's Grandma's name?
go in.
What's Grandpa's name?
There.
Yeah, what's sister's name?
There.
What's the puppy's name?
They go.
Very good. And what's your name again?
There.
Look at me. And you are how old?
There.
Yeah. Can you say your alphabet?
Well,
Wink. Say A.
A,
Then what?
B,
Uh-huh.
B,
And then what? Say C.
D.
That's right. D is after C. Can you count? 1.
And what?
Then what?
There.
Uh-huh.
Well,
Then what comes after 2?
do.
And then what?
B,
And then what?
I back.
Uh,
Back.
a book?
No.
Hey, what comes after 3?
B,
And then
Hi,
what?
sweetie. Cool.
Ah.